How to fix Snapchat keep logging out on Snapchat. Today guys, I have the solution how to fix and solve this problem. Just follow this video until the end. So let's start. First you will just go and open the settings of your phone, and you will go directly to apps or applications. Then you will find here all the applications that you have in your phone. You will search for Snapchat only. When you found Snapchat, just open it like this and go to storage. On storage, go to the last button here in the bottom of the screen and click clear data, click OK and go back and click for stop and click OK, and that's it, your problem will fixed. So I hope this video is useful for you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.